So first, go to the layer editor and make sure that your background is in transparent mode. So you'll see here, this is actual image, and I want to get rid of this white here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to this layer of the image. I'm going to select the image, and what I want to do is I want to highlight this white area. So what this does is it selects it, and you can play with the tolerance here to see how much or less of it captures. So that's pretty good. But now I want to get rid of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it. But what I'm going to fill it with, I'm going to fill it with the transparent color. So I just click transparent, going to hit the fill tool. So now when I click in that space, you'll see it just made it all transparent. Not bad, but you're going to have to do some touch-ups. For example, this little spot here, not a problem. I go back, I select the lasso, and then I go and again, I'm in transparent color right now. I select, and there it is. Now, the other way you can do it, of course, is you can just use an eraser and then erase. You could zoom in and then erase little details that you might want to erase afterwards. There you go.